Cordial greetings, my name is Roberto Manuel Martinez and this is my presentation to step 4. How does this company contribute to pollution in our world? This company drastically affects the environment for different aspects, but the most important is the direct environment pollution caused by the plastic packing for the different brands of the company. What opinions and demands did they express in the formal letter sent to them? In the letter, I invite Coca-Cola to seek alliance with the government or private companies, through which they can generate innovative ideas to reduce the environmental impact caused by their non-recyclable plastic waste. The students will provide an ecological solution to the problem of this company and will express how this impacts the environment in a positive way. And the best thing that could be proposed is to urgently implement a massive recycling program for the company's waste. Another possibility solution is to return to the old returnable glass containers. Thank you very much. This is all my presentation.